Hi everyone. The masterclass has provided me with energy for creating an upcoming ASU course that is the cornerstone of a certificate program that I hope will grow in interest among students. New technologies and strategies have aged my previous experience with teaching online, and not necessarily like a fine wine. But the class challenged me to refresh my approaches and update the resources I use. So let me start my reflection by saying that I was pleasantly surprised by the plethora of new resources that have become available since I last taught online almost a decade ago. New resources I learned about during this course that I will consider for future online teaching include YellowDig, more engagement with Canvas discussion forums, PlayPosit, VoiceThread, Perusall, which I have used once, HonorLock, Respondus Lockdown, the ASU design standards, clearly defined rubrics, and effectively chunking modules into shorter videos. Knowing about all these resources leads to one of my challenges teaching online, and that is I tend to overestimate the amount of time I have and the time it takes to effectively manage some of the online tools, such as Canvas discussion boards or YellowDig posts. The posts and the responses are only valuable teaching tools if they're moderated effectively by the professor. At the beginning of the semester, both myself and the students are excited to post and read posts, but as the semester and other competing assignments and obligations stack up, it's easy not to post as much, respond or read all of the posts, etc. The tool is only effective if there is actual engagement. I just missed the opportunity to use Slack and Microsoft Teams during my career, before Zoom came along, which started the transformation of both work and educational spaces. But of course, I quickly became used to Zoom during COVID. However, I did not couple my use of Zoom then with other emerging technologies and pedagogical tools, largely because my class sizes are relatively small. My teaching has always been motivated by seeking to provide students with ideas and tools for their engagement with economic and political leaders. I'm less concerned with them having the right ideas and tools than I am in their willingness to think through what their existing ideas are and what they mean for their own lives and our society's future. But students in an online setting are often reluctant to put their ideas forward because the online setting is less welcoming than in-person settings. The more I can interact with them in between recorded lectures or one-to-one meetings, the better. Tools that enable me to have those settings in an online space and then make the resulting conversation available to the whole class are ones I'm interested in experimenting with this coming semester. So here's my action plan for now. Most of the things I plan to incorporate are fairly simple. First, setting reminders of assignments and accompanying each reminder with a short video recorded in my own office or somewhere on campus once temperatures allow, in which I highlight the importance of the assignment, its topic, required format, and weight in the students' grades. Second, early in the course, encourage students to introduce themselves to me in person at my office or via Zoom. A minor bump in grade on the next assignment provides encouragement to set up an appointment, but the students are also more likely to visit my online office hours, contact me via Canvas, and participate in the Zoom sessions if they have met with me early in the course. I'm going to set up a system where 4 students sign up to join me in a Zoom session during which we discuss an upcoming set of required readings. What themes do the readings emphasize? What disagreements are present? And even what views do the students agree or disagree with? The discussion session would then be posted in Canvas for the class to watch. Participation in a session contributes to their final grade. Some alternatives to session participation will be created, usually involving writing or recording a response to a Zoom session. Fourth, I'll provide a weekly opportunity for students to meet on Zoom as a group with me for course-related questions other than the upcoming reading. And fifth, I plan to create a short video posted on YouTube explaining how I grade, and then following up after major assignments with other videos reiterating my grading template and addressing common issues with their assignments.